Hi there, I'm Dylanson. This is Amateur Hour, the show in which we normally take about an hour to follow the lessons from the CS50 course to learn how to program. But in this specific episode I wanted to make a prelude to lesson 1, but there are a few things that I wanted to talk about to help people who are taking the CS50 course and going on to their lesson 1. I first up want you to know that if you are following the courses and you've ended your lesson, then you can find assignments on the cs50.harvard.edu/x/2022 site. I'll show you that over here. Here we are. This is the introduction page to the assignments you can make for the CS50 course. What you should also know though is that you can find the actual lessons here, but apart from that, if you scroll a bit down, you will find problem set 1. If you click on this, you get taken to the site where you can practice your problems. If you haven't already done so, then you should follow these instructions at the top, because they will teach you how to set up a GitHub with which you can program on the internet, on an online space. This is what the GitHub will look like. If you don't have an account yet, you should create one, and then eventually it will take you to the CS50 programming space. Apart from that, if you finished the first lesson and are feeling a bit overwhelmed, I want you to not worry too much. The assignments we had in the first week, well, I found them quite complicating. But at the same time, I'm now a bit further on. I've completed lesson number 2, and I find myself thinking that much of the information you need to program has been front-loaded. That is to say, in the very first lesson you get an immense amount of information, and then during the other lessons, not so very much, at least as far as I am for now. Don't worry too much, try to see how far you can get, and if you are super duper stuck, you can of course find help on either Discord or through another social media that is connected to CS50. Or if you're not ready for that and you are absolutely stuck, you can of course just find someone who has the solution to the assignments of that week, just so you can keep going and get some progress in. Most of all, I want you to just start and have a good time. Anyway, once again, this is Amateur Hour, this is the prelude to lesson 1, and I hope to see you in the next Amateur Hour.